We're going to go a little bit back to the stoichiometry that we used to do in the past, okay? So, just because we're going to look for the leaders in stoichiometry, okay? Let's get off the phones and pay attention because I'm not going to re-explain. Come on. And unplug completely, okay? All right, now remember, let's do this side first, and let's look at what your given is on number 1. What is your given? What's your given? Yep. Very good. 10 moles of your methane is what's given. And what is it that you're looking for? You're looking for moles of hydrogen. Now, don't forget that you're going to be looking at your coefficients because this is going back to that mole-to-mole stoichiometry from before in the past. Remember, like a month ago or so? Whatever your given is, that's going to go where? Okay, let's do that in black. You always write the moles, and you have it in CH4. Whatever that unit is, it goes where? It goes on the bottom. Very good. So you have moles of CH4. Now, whatever you're looking for goes where? On the top. Okay? So since I'm looking for hydrogen, I have moles of H2. Everyone should be writing with me because we're doing the answer together. Okay? Let's do this step by step. Okay, so this allows you to cancel out the mole of H4. Now remember, anytime you have mole to mole, where do I get those numbers from? The equation, very good. So what's my coefficient for hydrogen?
2.
It's a 2. What's my coefficient for methane? 1. So all you do is, you're going to do what? Very good. So you're going to do 10 times the 2, which is 20, and divide it by 1. What is my moles of hydrogen? Yep, 20 moles of hydrogen. And that's it. Remember, this is stuff we did in the past already. Right? Okay, are we good? Who's lost? Where do we have a question? Okay, now what you're gonna do that's new that you're gonna add to it, let's I need more room. Remember that this is going to be a conversion. 1 mole equals 22.4 liters. You need to write this down somewhere. Okay? So if in the question I ask for liters instead of moles, I'm going to take those 20 moles of my H2. Now, because I have this unit here, where's this unit going to go? Not the number, just the unit. The moles of H2 is going to go where? On the bottom. Very good. So I'm going to have moles of H2 on the bottom. And I'm looking for liters, so that liters goes on top. And that's how I'm going to get liters of H2. Okay, now, from the conversion, what's my number for liters?
22.4.
The 22.4 goes on top, and you're getting that right off of your conversion sheet. Just leave the pass up there, okay? What's my number for mole?
2.
Look at your conversion. It's just a 1, okay? So now, you're going to do 20 times the 22.4 equals, divided by 1, what is my liters of H2?
Where'd you get the 1 mole of H2?
From your conversion, 1 mole equals 22.4 liters.
No, the 1 mole H2.
Right, this is from your conversion. Boys, no one else should be speaking except for me at this time. Unplug, Isaiah.
I missed that one mole equals 22.4. I was already on here.
The what?
It's already on here.
The liters?
No, like the conversion.
That's fine, Mihan, but you need to write it down like on your periodic table, your conversion sheet, because you're going to need it for the test. Okay? But she's asking, where did you get the 1 mole? Right, Sabrina?
Yeah.
Sabrina, you need to get the phone. The 1 mole's coming from here, from your conversion. Guys, if you're not paying attention, this is super easy. This is way easier than the stuff that we've been doing. You're going back to old stuff. Some of the stuff you already know. You're just adding, all you're adding is how to get the volume. That's it. And you're basically just multiplying times the 22.4, but you must be at the moles already. Okay? So, what are my liters? 20 times 22.4, how much is that? 448. And that's it. 448 liters of hydrogen. Okay, guys, I know it's right after the break and everything, but we need to get back on track. Okay? We're like off somewhere. All right, what questions do we have so far? Okay, because on this side of the page, you're going to be mostly looking for moles, and that's just to refresh your memory. Let's go to, so you can refresh your memory on how to get the moles, or you can, the back side. If you already have moles, is half the work already done for you? Yes, so all you're looking for is volume. So pick one of these. You know what? Let's pick,
7.
no, let's pick, let's do number 2. You're looking for liters. So you already have the moles, so what do you have to do? You're going to convert it to liters. Very good. And so this unit is going to go where? On the bottom. So you're going to have moles of O2. What goes on top? The liters of O2, because you want to cancel the moles. Very good. What's my number for liters? Yep, you're going to have the 22.4 liters on top. What's going to be my number for the mole of O2? 1. Okay, so 3.2.
Is it always going to be 1?
Anytime you're doing the conversion, that's a good question. Anytime you're using a conversion, it's always the 1 mole equals 22.4 liters. So yes, if I have 22.4 on this side, you will always have 1 mole to that. Okay, just the way in stoichiometry we always had 1 mole equaled the GFM, your molecular weight. It'll always be 1 mole for the molecular weight, right? So it will always be 1 mole for the liters, for the 22.4 liters, okay? Okay, good question. Anything else? Any other questions? Okay, so what's gonna be your next step here? What are you gonna do? You're gonna multiply. So 3.2 moles times the 22.4 liters is how much? 71.68 or 0.7, right? And that will be your volume. Okay? Are we all good?
That's all we're doing for the site?
To find the liters for that part, yes. But remember, you have to start off at the moles. So look at the bottom part. Look at number, let's look at number 7. Let's look at number 7. Are they giving you moles?
No.
Nope. So you have to find your moles. Going back to our old formulas, how do you find moles?
Grams times
Grams divided by your GFM. Okay? So you're going to take those grams and you're going to divide it by your molar mass. How much does 16 weigh? I mean, how much does oxygen weigh? Okay, I gave you that one. So oxygen is 16, right? But you have how many oxygen? 2. So what's my total weight for the oxygen? 32. So you're going to divide by the 32. This will give you your beginning moles of O2. Oh man, you can't see it there. Okay, so 100 divided by 32 is how much? 3.1? Okay. So this now is your starting point, correct? Now I have the moles. Can I look for volume now? Yes. So now what is it that I have to do? Remember your railroad track.
Multiply them to 22.4.
Very good. Because I want to get rid of the mole. The mole goes down here, so that's one mole. And the liter goes on top, and that's my 22.4. So the 3.1 times the 22.4, this will give me my volume, right? Liters of O2. What is my answer? 69? 0.44, so 0.4. So 69.4 liters of O2. Okay? And that's it. Are we there? Where is it that we're stuck? Where do we have a question? Are we sure? Okay, now you can do the mole to mole side first if you want to. The other liter side, whichever you feel comfortable for, but this is due today, okay? And we have a question let's go ahead and bring